Up here working on my Coupe Mustang for the first time in probably a year. Just want to give you guys a little update video. I'm gonna start putting some time into it and try to get it finished up. But here's a little video, and like I said, I'm gonna start working back on it. It's been probably a year since I even messed with it because of all this Rona stuff. But anyway, all right guys, I'm inside and here's what it looks like. I already started doing some body work to it. It's definitely a mess. Hood flew up and caused this, both sides. But we're gonna fix all that. Motor in it. Motor probably got less than 500 miles on it. It's a 306 10-in-1 pistons, 3-bar GT40 heads and intake. Other than that, it's stock, but it runs good. Here's my bumper, my hood, my trunk, and my back bumper right there. Got all that pretty much ready to paint. Got my doors and stuff in here. All right, there's my fenders, dusty obviously, and there's my doors. I'm not going to uncover them, but they're all ready for paint pretty much. But we're gonna stay on it. I'll keep you updated from time to time. We'll have some videos. I'm gonna try to do this all the way to the end. Like I say, take this right here, slide it in, put it on the gun. All right guys, let me show you what we did here. Filled this in right here. I had a couple little low spots by the time we got it all pulled out. Same way with the other side. Using all metal. It's like Bondo, but it repairs the metal with metal, so it's costs about twice as much. You got to use a special hardener. It's kind of yellow gold looking with a clear tube. Not really gonna bore you. I got a 36 that I'm gonna be sanding with it. I'm not really going to bore you with you watching me sand, do a bunch of sanding. So I'm gonna end this video right here. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think, and next time I'm hoping to get this thing sanded down and get first coat of sealer on it. Hopefully soon. But anyway, like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll talk to you on the next one.